So with the Commando Appliqué process, there is nothing between the fabric that I am putting on my art and the silicone mat. There is no pattern paper, there is no anything. And what I'll do is I'm going to begin building using my number ones, right? So I built my paint palette. This comes in every pattern, and this is my approach for, you know, how I did Audrey, how I did anything else. Now, cutting them out this specific way, not so much. I just made organic shapes. But this then becomes the magical paint palette from which I put together my ice cream sundae. So this is what I love to do and love to teach, and it really helps me you know, put together reliably beautiful quilts every single time. So you notice how I'm scratching at this on the back side. So every one of my patterns, everything is printed and it has a label that corresponds to one of the pieces in my quilt. And so when I scratch like that, it allows me to peel up and get that paper off. And then here we go, it goes right here. Now you'll notice that I do cut outside the lines. You probably saw that in one of my other videos about this whole project. And the reason for that is we're going to be building up, right? And since we don't have supporting fabric underneath, then what we're doing is building a lovely foundation for all of the pieces to be able to work together. So I am going to put this in place. I always have my handy little tweezers to help me out. And yeah, so I'm just gonna sit here and lay all of these ones down, and then I'll come back through and I'll start with the next color and the next color. And it's just my handy little way of building adorable quilts that then can become wall hangings or a central motif in a much larger project, or all of my patterns are actually resizable. And you know, as you develop your own style of generating art using artificial intelligence, well then guess what? You can do the same thing. And you will learn all of the different techniques to build up and make your own fabric masterpiece. So I hope you have a lot of fun making ice cream.